Friends and family of Teresa Wilson celebrate with hugs and tears outside of the London courthouse after Wilson's killer, Brian Robinson, was sentenced to life with no chance of parole for 12 years. Robinson wasn't the only man sentenced for murder at the London courthouse on Friday. Daniel Jimenez Acosta, he too convicted of second-degree murder for killing his wife, was sentenced to life with no chance of parole for 13 years. Wilson, a sex trade worker, disappeared in November 2010. Her body was found west of Chatham along the banks of the Thames River in March 2011. Robinson had been her romantic partner.
Well, I guess it's a closing point right now. It's actually a day where we finally lift our head and be proud. I mean, I think Brian got the justice he deserved today.
I think it's partially closure. I think the laws should change in this kind of situation. I don't think there should be parole, but we have had some justice today.
Within an hour of Robinson's sentencing, Jimenez Acosta was also dealt his life term and parole ineligibility. The Colombian immigrant was found guilty of killing his wife, Patricia Pacheco Hernandez, whose body was found in the basement of their home. She had been hit several times in the head with a heavy lead crystal vase. Jimenez Acosta's lawyers said after the sentencing that the case may not be over.
We're expecting around that anyway, despite the fact that we were asking for 10 to 12. Obviously, there are serious aggravating factors in this particular case as opposed to anything else that leads to second-degree murder. But all in all, I think after speaking with Mr. Jimenez Acosta, after taking some time to think about it, I think he may actually pursue his right to appeal.
Superior Court Justice Andrew Goodman said that the murder was brutal and horrific to a defenseless and vulnerable woman in her own home for no reason other than possessiveness, rejection, or jealousy. For the London Free Press, I'm Jane Sims.